Addressing leash pulling in American Bullies. How do you address leash pulling in American Bullies? Leash pulling is a common issue faced by many pet owners, especially those who own American Bullies. These powerful and energetic dogs have a tendency to pull on the leash, making walks a frustrating experience for both the dog and the owner. However, with patience, consistency, and proper training techniques, leash pulling can be addressed effectively. First and foremost, it is important to understand why American Bullies tend to pull on the leash. One of the main reasons is their high energy levels. These dogs are bred for strength and power, and they require sufficient exercise to release their pent-up energy. When they are not adequately exercised, they may become restless and resort to pulling on the leash as a means of expelling their excess energy. Another reason for leash pulling in American Bullies is a lack of proper leash training. If a dog has not been taught how to walk on a leash from a young age, they may not understand the concept of walking beside their owner without tugging and pulling. Leash training is an essential aspect of overall obedience training and should be started as early as possible. So, how can you address leash pulling in American Bullies effectively? Here are some tips and techniques. 1. Consistent training. Consistency is key when it comes to addressing leash pulling. Set aside dedicated training sessions every day to work on walking on a leash. These sessions should be short but frequent, as American Bullies have shorter attention spans. Use positive reinforcement techniques, such as treats or praise, to reward your dog for walking calmly by your side. 2. Use a proper leash and collar/harness. The type of leash and collar/harness you use can make a difference in addressing leash pulling. For American Bullies, a front clip harness or a head halter can be effective tools. These tools provide better control and redirect the dog's attention towards the owner when they start to pull. 3. Exercise before walks. As mentioned earlier, American Bullies have high energy levels. Before taking them for a walk, make sure to engage them in a rigorous exercise session to tire them out. A tired dog is less likely to pull on the leash, as they will have released their excess energy. 4. Teach the heel command. The heel command is essential for teaching your American Bully to walk politely by your side without pulling. Start indoors, where there are fewer distractions. Hold a treat in your hand and place it next to your thigh. As you walk, use the command heel and reinforce your dog with a treat whenever they walk alongside you without pulling. Gradually increase the duration and difficulty of the walks, introducing distractions gradually. 5. Avoid pulling back. It may be tempting to pull back when your American Bully starts pulling on the leash, but this can potentially worsen the problem. Instead, stop walking, stand still, and wait for your dog to calm down. As soon as they ease the tension on the leash, resume walking. This teaches them that pulling will not result in them getting closer to their desired destination. 6. Seek professional help if needed. If you are struggling to address leash pulling in your American Bully despite consistent training, it may be beneficial to seek the assistance of a professional dog trainer. They can provide personalized guidance and help you understand the specific needs of your dog. In conclusion, addressing leash pulling in American Bullies requires patience, consistency, and proper training techniques. By understanding the reasons behind leash pulling and implementing the tips mentioned above, you can turn your frustrating walks into enjoyable experiences for both you and your furry friend. Remember, a well-trained dog is a happy and fulfilled dog.